Assalamualaikum. I am Imran Hassan Murad. Welcome to my video resume. Currently, I am studying a bachelor program, Software Engineering in Deputy International University. I am from Kishorganj, located in Dhaka Division. I grew and completed SC and HSC from there. I have completed my SSC from Azimuddin High School in 2018 with GPA 4.50 out of 5, and I have completed my HSC from All India Khan College in 2020 with GPA 4.25 out of 5. From my academic journey, I have developed an interesting web development, which has become a major focus on my studies and personal project. My academic background has provided me with strong foundation and programming, algorithm and software development. I have particular programming contest takeoff, where I have the opportunity to test my problem solving skill and convert with under competitive scenario. This experience have taught me how to think actually, work under pressure and improve my skill. Web development has been a field task. Over the year, I have worked at seven projects that have helped me grow a developer from building responsible in interactive website, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. My career goal is become a full-stack web developer, where I can design and development myself web application that solve real world problems. Grow a developer from building responsible in interactive website, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. My career goal is become a full-stack web developer, where I can design and develop impactful web application that solve real-world problems. Thank you very much for watching my video resume. Allah Hafiz.